Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to find your referral code in the GoTyme Bank app. First, open the GoTyme Bank app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and look for referral code or invite friends. If available, tap it to copy your referral code. You can now share this code with your friends or family so they can use it when signing up for GoTyme. Note, referral codes may not always be available depending on GoTyme's current promotions. Sometimes they offer it, sometimes they don't. And that's it. That's how to find your referral code in the GoTyme Bank app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.